Let's head to Zurich, where world champions Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce and Shericka Jackson are promising fast times for Thursday's Diamond League finale in Switzerland. As we'll hear in this report, Jackson says she's not daunted by the task of doing the double less than 2 hours apart.
Like it's been since the national championships, the 200-meter world record is on the mind of world champion Shericka Jackson ahead of the Diamond League final in Zurich on Thursday. Jackson, who became the fastest living woman over the distance following her 21.45 seconds clocking at the World Championships in Eugene, says she had written that time down as her goal for the event prior to the start of the season. The 28-year-old says she has since shifted her focus to the 34-year-old world record of 21.34 seconds.
I wrote another time there because I definitely want to go faster, and I think I'm capable of doing that. If it's not done tomorrow, then definitely I'll come back next year, work even harder. It's definitely roundabout there. It's definitely roundabout there.
One wouldn't have thought that the reopening of school would affect five-time world 100-meter champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce's decision to compete in Zurich. But the 35-year-old says her participation seems to have been written in the stars.
Lausanne and Brussels was going to be my final race for the season because I had commitment with my son starting school back home, and it was going to be his first day. So Zurich was actually not going to happen because of that. But I was ready to go home, and it was maybe divine intervention where I got an email from his school that they were postponing that day. So it actually happened last night virtually. So that's why I ended up being here and not running in Lausanne. I thought, have to get in treatment and getting that run in Brussels. I definitely thought that, I could definitely do this one.
Jackson will also be doing the 200 in Zurich, and there will be a little over a 1 hour turnaround between the 100 and the half-lap event. But the 28-year-old doesn't see that as an issue. She told fans they can expect her to run fast times in both events.
I'm coming out here tomorrow in the 100. I expect to perform at my best, and definitely after I get some rest, I'll definitely come out in the 200. I'm very, very good at very, very great at the 200, and I think tomorrow will be great at the 100. Yes, but yeah, so tomorrow I definitely want to come out here and give a good performance in both events. So I'm definitely looking for a fast time tomorrow, especially in the 200.
Natasha Morrison will also line up in the 100 meters. Also vying for the $30,000 first place prize money are Brittany Anderson in the 100 meter hurdles, Natoya Gould in the 800 meters, and Genevieve Russell and Rochelle Clayton in the 400 meter hurdles. Commonwealth champion Rashid Broadbell and Olympic champion Hansel Parchment will line up in the men's 110 meter hurdles, while 2011 world champion Johan Blake is in the 100 meters. World Championships silver medalist Shanika Ricketts will go in the triple jump, and Candice McLeod and Stephanie-Ann McPherson in the 400 metres. Earlier 2019 World Championships silver medalist Danielle Thomas-Dodd finished 5th in the shot put on Wednesday's first day with a best effort of 19.04 metres. The event was won by American world champion Chase Ely with 20.19 metres. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.